So guys, now we are with a new video. Now we are learning how to make a polygon. Next command is our polygon. So if you know, in the AutoCAD there is no option to make any triangle, so for that you have to make the polygon. Polygon. Enter the number of sides. Suppose I am making a triangle. Enter 3. Select a point. Circle, it will be covered your outside area. Inside it will be covered your inside area. Incredible. Like if you give the dimensions, like it is 13, 15, whatever, so all side will be of like 15, right? So if you make polygon with 4 side, enter, click on that and describe. So now you can see your side will be equal, but it is not the in the rectangular way, right? So here what is the difference between two, I will tell you. Like it is 10. Okay, so polygon for enter. If you go with this, right, so there only you can see different. It will be your half dimension and that was your outer dimension, right? So next, if we want to make a polygon with 5 side, right? So now you can see as 5 sides. If we enter the side of 10, so all side will be 10. That is the equally separated, right? If we make polygon with example 8 side, so here is the 8 side. If we mention the 5 side, so all dimension will be distributed, right? So this command is was the polygon. So next command is very useful command, is that is basically tool, not the command. So that is move, copy, rotate, trim, scale. That is the command. Example, we have a rectangle, right, and we want to move it. So just select it and move. Where to click where. Example, and short command of the move command is M. Okay, select, enter. Example, if we want to move our block is on this position, so what you have to do, enter M, select, then select the object, then again enter, then click which side you want to add on this, right? Like I want to make it is from that center, that to where you want to press this corner there. Okay, if you want to move this from upper side, you can see there is a midpoint. You can also paste here. Very simple. Also in the move command you also have to see one thing. If you using move command, so in the same, in the line command we have to uh, close or the incline system. So here what is this, we just use the F8 button. So just press the F8 button. Here you can move it in inclined. So again if you press the F8 button, so here it will go only left and right in the 90 degree only, right? So this is the very important to know for everyone. Let's save it. One thing I also tell you that every after every command you just make a habit. After every command you just have to press escape key, and after some time you just have to control and save, control and save, control and save, because file data is very important for routine work. Okay, after that you have next command is copy, right? If we have a rectangle, we have a circle, whatever, if you want to make a copy of this, so just click on copy, and either you have short command of co, enter, just select the object and enter and make it copy. Number of many click, until unless you don't press the escape key, it will be in same command. So in AutoCAD this is very good function, until unless you don't use the escape button, that your command will be continued. So similar here, if you want to copy this object, so just enter co, click the object and make the many copies. Also again there is a same issue of incline, so just press the F8 button. Okay, so here you can see the 360-degree. If you want, again press the F8 button, so it will go only left and right in the same uses. Okay, so F8 is a very important key. So after that, our next is offset. So what is offset? Example, you have a line here and you want to make a similar line in a parallel distance. Example, you have a line and use the offset. The shortcut is O. Okay, enter the O. After that, specify the distance. If you want to make 10-meter distance, so make it 10. Enter. Then click on this object and you have option. If you want to make offset left, right, so just click on their side. If you want to make it in the left, make it in the left, make it in the right, make it in the right. Click it and draw it, click it and throw it, click it and throw it. So here again I am telling you, AutoCAD have very good feature. Until unless you don't press the escape button, your command will be in the continue form. If now you can see I am pressing the escape, so your command is not anymore. Okay, so this is the escape offset command. Also it is very useful if you use the, your line is example in the 45-degree, so inclined line. But you can see if you want to a parallel line, right? So for that again you can use the offset command. Example, enter O, enter, make a distance 200, enter, select the object, and now he is asking where you want to throw it, in the left, in the right. So this is your choice. If you making it in the left, if you making in the right, if you making this will be automatically. Okay, so this was the offset command, guys. This is very useful commands: offset, copy and move. And again our next command is trim command. So what is trim command? Example, we have a line and we have this extra lines, right? We have this extra line. So what you have to do to remove this? Just click the trim command. So shortcut is the TR. Okay, trim command. Now guys, see the trim command, how works the trim command. So if you click on this object, it will know nothing. Okay, just see this, enter the TR, trim, and right click. Okay, then click on this, whatever you click that will be trimmed. Okay, example again I am telling you, trim, enter, right click, enter and enter. Okay guys, if you never press the right click, you can see trim, enter, and without right click it will never trim the object, right? And it is very useful guys. You can see the multiple use of this trim command that will be in your whole project. Trim, right click, enter, 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 also enter. Guys, one thing is that this is the single line, right? This line is not joined with this, so it cannot be trimmed. Simply just click on that and delete. Okay, because it is another object. So guys, it was the trim command. After that you have a rotate command. This is also very useful command guys. So example, we have a object, we have a line. Okay, want to rotate this. This is the arrow and rotate, and this is the arrow is the short command. Click, enter, and press the base point, right? Press this and just what he is asking here, you can see he is asking angle, so just make it 45 degree and enter. Okay guys, now your object is rotated. Again I am telling you, this is the rectangle. If you want to rotate it, arrow, enter, and click the object and select the base point. Wherever you can click, just click it and make it 25 degree. 25, enter, will be rotated. So it was the rotate command guys. Next is scale command. So scale command is very important in the architectural and civil design and mechanical also. See, if you have a rectangle, if you have a circle, whatever you have, if you want to make it large, that is called the scale. See, your rectangle, just click on SC, that is the short command of scale, and here we have scale button. So SC, enter, select the object, enter, just make the base point and make the scale. So guys, you can see in the scale, if you want to make 1.5 time bigger and 2 time bigger, then press the 2, enter, it will be 2 time bigger. If you want to make smaller, select. If you want to make means half smaller, then press the 0.5 again. Okay guys, so that is the scale command. If you want to scale 1.5, it will be 1.5. Also you can scale it with your imagination, like scale and make it. See, you have option. Scale command. So our next is, no, so we have done with these commands. This was your second session. So guys, one thing I am telling you, that if you using your short keys, so your design speed will be increased. If you using these commands, your all design speed will be limited. If you using L command, example I am making a line, L command, making a circle, C command, enter, D command, enter. So this is the faster way to make a design. Okay guys, so see you in next video. Thank you.